case this guy's going to be finished with. Right, and it's 305 and 22. So we're going to get Brenner here on the hook, and he's pulling a 1466, a 1974 model. So we have something to go by. We have 305.22. Well, we got lots of room up there, so we might just let it fly out the end there. Hey, chance he's not going to shoot out of the stall like that. He's going to have to try to stay under 8 miles an hour, so you can watch the speed up there on the side. So the momentum just helped a little bit. We'll get there 258, 33. Okay, we have Steve Fennell here. South of Flipcat. Pulling a nice 1206, saw it before. I don't know if he added some weight on there or not. He didn't get out there where the front deer was. So we'll give Fennell 230 and 78. 230 and 78. Belknap will rent a 1486. Well, right now we're going to have to beat 317 at 30. Reinhold will be next on the hook. Okay, we have Reinhold on the hook here. I don't think we did anything with that fourth yet tonight, did we? Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, the John Deere is going to move. Well, he did move, didn't he? Scott Blair should be a 4620 out of Kettlersville. I think that's the case. I'll know the tractor. Okay, we have Scott Blair now. Hey, Lair pulls 241 and 36. Rico Drill, the Case Tractor 1175. Got a case on the hook. Okay. He's not going to speed out of here too fast. Far from home, 244 and 90. Oh, like something of this coming out. Could be a Global 6 on the wind check. John Deere 6030, Wallace Farm. Rick House will be the first guy out on the 8500. What's this one? It's one gear and that's it. Well, we have 30169. Okay, let's see what Belknap does here. He's going to shoot for the top. Now, he only has a TA to check one time. Okay, 289 and 33. This is Belknap, 1486. All right, Belknap did 252.65. Okay, this is farm class. They both 44-47, pushing in third place. Reininger, you're on deck here in case this guy's going to be finished with. Pretty nice pull, right? I think that's right. And it's 305 and 22. So we're going to get Reininger here on the hook, and he's pulling a 1466, a 1974 model. So we have something to go by. We have 305.22. I don't think we did anything with that Ford yet tonight, did we? Okay, we'll see what happens.